put this GreenRex metal detector together. So this is the arm, I guess extends, the extendable arm. Put it down through like so. This is all plastic, which is good, and you know, could be good and could be bad. It's good because it's light. It's good because it won't corrode. Bad part could be that it could break. You know, but this is not supposed to be something you're banging around and hitting things. So it should be durable enough for what it is. All right, we can extend this. Next thing we want to do is we have this handle here. Goes like that. You push it in and then you lock it down with that in there. So it comes apart really easy. So now the controller slides onto, I'll wrap this up and around here. And we're gonna attach this in up. It's keyed. It's got a key on here, so you wanna put that on. Oh, this is like a shovel. Okay. We're actually gonna adjust this. Push this out as far as it can go. AM mode, I think for now, AM mode is basically will sense all metal. All right, so you can see it's blinking. It's blinking these two different metals, and it makes sense because this is probably aluminum and steel. There must be something under the floor there. Pretty neat. Well, let's look at this over here. This is iron probably. It's like a dumbbell. So I put it in pinpoint mode. You click that P button down there at the top. You see here as I move over it. And what it's detecting is a nail. It's a nail in my subfloor. You see the nail deep in there? You can see how far up it'll actually detect the metal. You can hear it. So I'm just a guy having fun with my metal detector. It's got a light button, and you know, to be more discreet, you can wear these. There's a plug right here for these. So basically, we fold this up. I'm assuming go like this, and this all goes together. I think this would come off. If I was a betting man. Storage. And then this is probably